Yeah, absolutely. I believe that it's a least we can do according to the financial part, but at the same time, I think we often keep on discussing about the situation in the country throughout the world. I think it's very important for us. I think it's very, we feel very privileged to be out there and play this game. I think we just need to go out there and play some good cricket to make them happy or keep them entertained. So we keep having that discussions. We keep talking about that and keep talking the purpose of playing this game today. So we already have had that chat in the team meetings when we went to play today. I think the purpose is very clear. We just need to play some good cricket to bring up the spirit of the entire country. Yeah, absolutely. I think I think we figured it out. I think it was a really decent wicket to play a game. Actually, we played an afternoon game, but the wicket was fine. The ball was coming onto the bat. I think I felt that we were a bit 20-25 runs short. I think we need to. I believe we need to play some fearless and positive cricket when we come out there and play the next game. Absolutely, I believe that it's a very funny tournament. I think playing this tournament, we have seen very funny things happen in the past. I think we'll keep on believing in our players and keep on believing in our team. I think we know that we are going through a bit tough phase. I think we know our star players are not available with us. I think maybe Ben Stokes or Jofra Archer and Liam Livingston actually. But at the same time, I'm very proud of my team that we are still keeping up the positive vibes. We are still talking positively, and we are still looking to win the coming games. Actually, yeah. I think playing in Wankhede and coming here, I think I feel there is a bit difference in the bounce. Actually, the bounce is a bit low. I think ball is been skidding a bit more. But I also respect the fact that they had really good, decent bowlers in their bowling lineup who are bowling well and executing their plans. But at the same time, I also feel that we do have enough talent to get that 20 to 25 runs. So we'll back ourselves and come and try to do that again in the next game. Yeah, I think as I said before, they have a really good bowling lineup. They were executing their plans well. We were trying to hit the ball out of the park, but it happens when you have some quality bowlers in their side. But I'm sure that we'll back ourselves in the next game and try to hit those extra